Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create Instagram puzzle feed using Canva. Okay, let's get into it guys. This is how the Instagram puzzle feed looks like and we're going to create it using Canva. So first of all, make sure that you have already installed Canva application on your mobile phone. And then we're going to create new design. Wait, I'm going to go to the Canva home. And then we can select this plus icon guys to create new design. And then for the ratio, we're going to choose social media and select Instagram. And you can choose Instagram post 4:5 ratio. And then you're going to use the image splitter app on Canva. But wait, it's still loading guys. We can go to the Canva apps right here. Go to the apps and then you're going to search image splitter. Just type in image splitter like this and you can choose this application and you can use the application to split your image. Okay, and upload your photo to Canva. And this is the previous image I have split it. I'm going to delete it and then we can choose file and you can choose a photo or image that you want to upload to your Instagram. And for me, I'm just going to choose this image and then you can choose the row, the number of rows and number of columns. And I'm just going to choose 3 for both of them. And once you're ready, you can click on split image. Oops, sorry. Like this. And then I'm going to click on split image. And I'm going to add images to new page. Okay, and it's still loading guys. Okay, done. And then I'm going to go back to the page. And this is the result. And I recommend you to upload HD image guys. So the quality will be better. And then you're going to download the image and upload it to your Instagram feed. Alright, and then I'm going to open up my Instagram application and we can upload the image one by one to our Instagram feed. You can click on this plus icon, select post, and then you can upload it. I'll start with this one. Oops. Okay, this one. And then don't forget to click on this icon to change the ratio to make it full. And click on next and upload it. Okay, and that's all the tutorial for today. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.